Hey friends, in this English lesson, we are going to learn about the use of believe and believe in. Let's start. Believe is about trusting on sayings and words of someone. Let's see few examples of believe. I believe you. He believes me. He believed you. Do you believe me? Do you believe me is used when you say something to someone and you ask them if they believe what you said. You can consider this example of believe too, where someone is asking to others for trusting his words by saying, believe me. Believe in is about trusting on someone's abilities and skills. Few examples of believe in sentences are I believe in you. He believes in me. She believed in you. Do you believe in me? Just believe in me. Believe in me is usually used when you say someone to trust on your skills and abilities. Check this another example of believe in, where a father believes in abilities of his child and let him go alone.